Hi, I am Kafui. I want to introduce you to Kraado as a learner. What is Kraado? Kraado is a gamified skills validation platform that helps university students and recent graduates hone their skills, build confidence as they prepare to join the workforce. In today's demo, you'll join Kraado as a learner. So I go to the dashboard after logging in. And then the first thing you see on the dashboard is the Kraado Learn. The Kraado Learn shows you tech talks and webinars from our coaches. So once you go through all this on-demand videos and you sample the works of the coaches, you just go to book a coach. So you go to the booking section where the coaches are on display. We have product coaches, career coaches, cloud coaches, etc. You pick the one that suits your needs. You decide to book, change the mode virtual, then you book. Once you are done booking, you go to your calendar and you check your book sessions. Well, in this case I have booked twice, so I'll just cancel one, and then you move to other opportunities on Kraado. So you apply to opportunities whether as an intern, as a full-timer, or a part-timer. Then you go back to look at the leaderboard, and on the leaderboard you come across all the people that are doing well on the Kraado platform, the learners that have taken several steps in terms of the activities from the Kraado Learn all the way to getting matched to an opportunity. So you see the points they've accrued over here. We look at this point to determine who is the best fit for a paid gig or a paid role in any technical or business role. Moving back to the dashboard again. Thank you for watching.